Coming soon from IBM, the operating system of the future.
Composed of the most popular functions and features from years past and integrated into one easy-to-order, easy-to-install, and easy-to-use product, this product, which we're calling internally OS 390, will change the way you and your enterprise think about computing.
We're sharing our internal plans with you so that you can get geared up for its release. Keep watching for more information.
Form unites with function, simplicity with integration. The result? IBM's OS 390, as progressive and unified as these amazing structures. By building on the classic strengths of MVS, we've come up with the system of the future.
System 390 software is undergoing a major transformation, one that is equivalent to the one underway in System 390 hardware. The first step in that transformation has been the evolution of MVS into a fully functional server operating system, one that delivers a rich set of modern server functions. Functions like Unix industry standards, object-oriented, and client-server. And that's only the beginning. Before we are through, we are looking to take similar actions with our VM and VSE-based systems.
Architecture is perhaps the most pervasive of all man-made things. It is at once essential, functional, and flexible. So it is with technology.
In much the same way an architect designs, drafts, and builds a structure to reflect the needs of their customer, so IBM has designed, drafted, and built a product to reflect the needs of our customers. A product that is at once essential, functional, and flexible. You've been telling us you want to reduce costs, decrease cycle time, in some cases go global, but do it with less money, shorter amounts of time, fewer people. Maybe we can help. To achieve more with less, an enterprise needs to work synergistically. Its strategies must mirror and support one another, especially the business and information technology strategies. But to do this, they both need the proper tools. Now, probably one of the most important tools for the business strategist is superb IT support. Support that is fast, flexible, and reliable. To the IT strategists, undoubtedly one of the most important tools is a superior operating system, one that is also fast, flexible, and reliable. Technology that not only allows re-engineering of enterprises, but also fulfills the need for end-user business solutions. We've been hard at work to meet the challenge. Introducing a product we call internally OS 390, an incredibly powerful yet flexible operating system that integrates cutting-edge technology with cost-effective system management. OS 390 is a single system, the base operating system, the latest enhancements, and a set of optional pre-tested and integrated functions. Like this modern classic, OS 390 is built on classic MVS strengths, like rock-solid reliability and continuous availability. It offers multi-level security and enterprise-wide systems management, and one of the most important classic strengths of all, the capability to support massive transaction volumes and large numbers of users with high performance. In fact, it supports way more massive transaction volume than this bridge.
Architecture is the Greek word for master builder. We at IBM have assumed the master builder role in creating OS 390. How did we do it? By listening closely to what you've been telling us you wanted and building a product that would best help you meet your business challenges head-on. We took over 24 of our most popular products, functions, and features, integrated them together with publications and testing, and came up with OS 390, a product that is less complex, requires less maintenance, and is more highly responsive to your IT needs than any other operating system we know.
In a simplistic sense, it was like building a new architectural structure using the best features and functions from a past structure. The new structure is not only more current and efficient than the old structure was, but it's less complex, easier to keep up, and is more what its occupants need. Not only that, it's also positioned for further expansion into the future. In fact, our goal over time is to more tightly enhance and integrate synergy as we continue to deliver a single integration-tested product. Synergy like you see here. So now, let's talk about how this will help your enterprise.
Just as architecture surrounds us, facilitates our goals, and shapes our very lives, so too do our enterprises. But to prosper, we must excel. One way to do that is to improve your time to market. One way to reduce the time it takes to deliver new applications and services and to control costs is to cut the staff time needed to support the system. That can be accomplished by simplifying that entire process. So that's what we did.
By integrating the functions from many products and features, OS 390 reduces the time the IT staff has to spend planning, installing, testing, and maintaining their system. Freed from support tasks, the staff can devote more time to designing, building, and tailoring mission-critical applications.
One way to appreciate the reduction in complexity achieved with OS 390 is to consider that with the integration of key functions from over 15 products and more than 10 product features, we had literally thousands of different combinations created by the multiple versions we supported. No longer. And once OS 390 is installed, the number of people in system support will be able to manage more compute power per person, which will substantially improve your people productivity level as well.
And that's not all. New OS 390 soft copy information services will integrate advanced information retrieval techniques such as hypertext links and cross-library searches that will substantially improve productivity levels over the old hard copy publications. IBM plans to deliver new releases of OS 390 about every 6 months. When a release becomes available, the content of the next release will be announced. This regular and predictable schedule will reduce disruptions and improve customer planning for new operating systems releases. Another way OS 390 has made planning and ordering less complex is that we'll be shipping integrated optional products with the OS 390 base product.
So OS 390 is less complex for many reasons. It's a single, integrated, tested product with optional functions and efficient soft copy publications. Less time on the system software, more time on solutions.
But now let's turn to business responsiveness, which is another key to remaining competitive. Changes happen fast out there, and an enterprise needs to be able to act and react very quickly. That means the system has to be able to handle custom-developed applications and have the ability to run other vendors' applications as well. OS 390 can. Balancing a multi-vendor computing environment is one of the most challenging issues that faces businesses today. But OS 390 makes it easy to process information throughout an enterprise. Its open systems features link IBM servers and systems with platforms from a wide range of vendors.
OS 390's base operating system includes Unix support, data access functions for distributed computing, and a communications server. The latest enhancements include features like parallel sysplex support and object-oriented programming. In the future, OS 390 will apply for Open Unix branding. OS 390 Release 2 will include this support. In much the same way that a building can accommodate the ambitions of the individual, so OS 390 can support the ambitions of an enterprise. With the flexibility it offers, new markets can be entered more rapidly. Acquisitions can be assimilated quickly and easily. New services can be developed and delivered more quickly. And resources can be devoted to more emerging business issues.
Business issues every enterprise needs to address. And OS 390 is reliable. It's sort of like having harnessed the power of this dam. With automatic recovery capabilities, dynamic reconfiguration functions, and robustness, OS 390 delivers continuous availability for your enterprise's mission-critical applications. Overall availability of business-critical applications will be improved by reducing planned outages by about 1/3.
Of course, all of the IBM products you are currently using will still work. Not only can you carry over these products, but with OS 390, you can also take advantage of additional integrated products and services. OS 390 has been designed so that you can use the products you already own as stepping stones to getting current. Once you are current and switch over, you're there. And it will be very easy to stay current because there will be a new release about every 6 months. We intend to have 2 releases announced at any one time so that you can plan ahead.
You have the full support for wide and local area networks and any combination you need to reach across the hall or across the world for your data resources. And OS 390 will lower your cost of computing too. This transformed operating system will be designed to make the total cost of computing of the System 390 environment competitive with mainframe alternatives.
And OS 390 is positioned for the future. It provides the capacity for a huge range of growth. The steps may be small or large, vertical or horizontal, to match your enterprise's expansion. Scalability of operations, applications, or data is possible and practical without disruption to your business.
What's ahead? Well, OS 390 is only the beginning of a major change in the way System 390 will deliver system software. The transformation of IBM's base operating system for System 390 will be staged to support customers' plans to migrate to the new operating system. Because the integration won't require programming changes, customers' investment in current applications and middleware will be protected. Besides Unix interfaces that support Xopen, OS 390 intends to provide extensions for Distributed Object-Oriented Technology, DSOM, extensions to IBM Parallel Sysplex architecture, quarterly service updates, and a soft copy publication printing function.
Future OS 390 releases will provide further extensions of open architecture, parallel processing, and client-server technology. IBM intends to integrate functions beyond the operating system, such as databases and transaction management. Finally, OS 390 will be easier to implement with each new release.
OS 390, the system of the future.